Hello, everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalechi, and I'm a Canva expert. And I share tips on how you can improve your Canva designs. Okay, I do post video tutorials regularly, but sometimes when I'm too busy with clients' work, I tend to post only a few. So please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like and comment on the videos. Okay, because your likes and your comments encourages me to want to do more. Now, this is the design I'm going to be showing you how to create. It's quite simple. Okay. Anyway, most of my designs are quite simple. Now, this is an African model wig. I recently shared a tutorial on event flyer I did. I think it was African Fashion Week or something. So this one, it's African model week. So let's jump right into the tutorial. So this is my blank page. The dimensions for this tutorial is for this design, it's a 3000 by 4000 design. And I remember when I was showing you guys the previous tutorial how I came out, how I arrived at that design. I remember telling you guys that there was an image that I saw that I liked, and would likely I would likely use it to create a design. So I starred it. You can star an image and element so you can easily locate it. Now this is it, start. Now this right here is the image we're going to be using. There are a lot of amazing images in Canva. Okay, Canva has a lot of high quality images that you can use for your design. So I am just going to drag this here and place it here. Okay, this is the image. I'm going to do this, bring it here. Okay, so this is the image. Now let's go to our text. Now, text, we have African, and the font I used for African was Gotham Rounded Bold. This is it, Gotham Rounded Bold. Okay, I downloaded it from a free website. So I just rotated it now to 90, and the font size I think was a 547. So we have African here, bring it somewhere here. Okay, and then um just to be sure it's on the right path. Well, we'll get to find that out sooner. So this is African. I'm going to apply the shadow effect, offset, blur, transparency, change this to a black. Now that's it. I think the color for that one is cool. It's white, just to be sure. Now I am going to duplicate this duplicate option. Where are you? I'm going to copy this. It's paste it, bring it somewhere here. Change this color to 9. The color code it's a 9EA6EC. 9EA6EC. I am going to change it. Okay. Now, this same image, where did I save it? Start. Go to start, select it, bring it to the front, and then remove the background. Okay, I just removed the background. While we wait, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Encourage me to keep creating content because most of these contents are free. Okay, they're free for you to use. Now, with the background has been removed successfully, so I'm going to apply. Now, what next? Adjust this, adjust this, and then increase, increase, increase. there yet. Okay, I think now we are there yet. So bring it African. You can remove African. Increase this. Okay, just make sure it's equal and on the right part. So we have African. Now, one thing I didn't do in the previous video was the initial design was apply a shadow effect. So let me just do that now to make it look more more realistic. And so I'm going to change this filter. I'm going to do it the manual way. Intensity, then go back, come to adjust, increase the bright, no, reduce the brightness, increase the contrast, increase the blood. So maybe that, bring it somewhere here to the back, reduce transparency. So you could feel it. You could feel the shadow. It's beautiful. Just joking. So, yep. Then I'm going to duplicate this again. Don't know why the duplicating option is not coming out. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it, drag this here, then change the color to what this. I think it's this. Okay. Then take it all the way to the back. So we have African, African, African. Oops, what just happened? African, African, African. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is to apply a text, the model. We're going to apply the model text. So African model week, MODEL. What's this? Sorry, that must have come out wrong. I think it's so model. I think what I was drinking just spilled over on my system. So Bagunda script regular for model, and the font size is a 409 or 410. So the color used was this color. I would have preferred this color though. Apply the shadow effect, increase offset, increase the blur, increase transparency, and change the color to a black. Okay. And then I'm going to, okay, it's supposed to be model week. So yes, model week. Then I'm going to reduce the line spacing here so it's close because African model week. So I'm going to duplicate this to make so the shadow effects can be thick. So African model week. I can actually change this to a lighter color like this. Oh, it should leave it like this. Now we are not done. Now I'm going to go to photos. There's this image. I searched for African patterns and I got this image from Canva, of course. So I'm going to do this. Take it all the way to the back. Reduce the transparency to a 15. Okay. And then lock it. I just locked it so it doesn't interfere. It doesn't change the background image. Okay, so we have two background images here. Now the next thing I did was an element, selected this element where you, okay, this one, bring it here. Okay, I hope I'm getting this right. So bring it out a bit. Change the color to this color. And then went to grid, select grid, bring the grid here. Okay. And then use the same image, this one. See? African model week. The next thing I did was I went to African pattern. I searched for African pattern under graphics. There was a whole lot of patterns here for me to select from. I hope I can see the one I used. I hope I get to see it because of time, so we can just quickly round this tutorial up. Where are you? I think it's this one. Yes, it's this one. So do this, bring this. So this is it. Change the color to a black. Use the transparency to 20, 20. Then take it back, 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 back. Okay, so you can feel the effects of the African pattern on the text to give it that African look. So that was the whole idea. So now we're almost done with this. I'm just going to copy this text from here and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and then I'm going to copy, this is date, paste it here. Okay, this is the date icon, this is time icon, although it's not that visible. Paste it here, and then this is the location icon, and paste it here. Then lastly, what I did was apply this flare effect. Okay, just copy it and paste it here. You can get this you can get it from element. Just search for flare and you're going to see it. So that's how I came about this design. I hope you learned something new. It's so beautiful. Wow. And just looking at it now, I really love it. Okay, so please subscribe and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Bye bye.